Let's check the automatic rolling and welding line. Choose a hydraulic feeding farm or pneumatic material frame according to the thickness of the material. Leveling machine, laser cutting machine, CNC plate rolling machine, straight seam welding machine, and discharge area. After being leveled, the material is laser cut to the required sheet size. The metal sheets are automatically fed into the rolling machine via a conveyor belt. Before entering the CNC rolling machine, the position of the metal sheet needs to be automatically positioned and aligned for entry. Then automatically roll out a cylinder according to the set parameters. Each workstation works simultaneously to improve efficiency. Transport between the rolling machine and the welding machine by trolleys. The straight seam welding machine can adjust its lifting height according to the diameter. Workers align and clamp the edges of the cylinder, and the machine automatically welds the seam. The pipes have good roundness, and the weld seam is flat and smooth.